everyone, welcome back to another video. We're going to do some nice quinoa porridge this morning, and to give it body, to thicken it, we're going to use some oats. Now guys, quinoa is such a superfood. It has plenty protein, it's gluten-free as well, it's lower cholesterol, it helps with digestion. Guys, I mean, this one is such an amazing recipe. If you want to continue watching this, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this one. My water here has been boiling. I'm going to go in with some salt. And of course some spice, which include my cinnamon stick and bay leaf. I want those flavors to release before adding anything else. Alright guys, now that all my lovely flavors has released from the cinnamon stick, I am going to add my quinoa. Now my quinoa has been washed. We want to cook the quinoa, not to cook it so they start sticking together, but cook it so we can make our porridge. Alright, while our quinoa is cooking, what I'm going to do is to blend our oats to make flour. Alright, so I'm going to add the oats to my cup here. Alright, like our quinoa is over here cooking, and I mean, no sticking happening right here guys, no sticking. Right, I'm going to dissolve some of my oatmeal in some milk. Our quinoa has fully cooked, and you can see that it has doubled in size. What we're going to do now is to add the oatmeal mixture. This is kind of giving me like a rice porridge vibe, but it's just that we use quinoa. Alright, we're going to add in some mixed spice. Love the smell of that coming up guys. And guys, guess what? I would serve this to babies. I think that is a nice texture for them, full of protein. It will keep them fuller longer. And if you don't like too much grain, you can always blend some of it out. Look at this guys, very nice texture we have here. And you want to make sure you continue to stir your porridge. You don't want it to be too lumpy. I'm so proud of this guys, look at that. Very nice porridge to have in the mornings for breakfast. And you want to make sure your heat is low, medium to low heat works best. And you stop whenever you like the texture. The texture that you like is the texture that you're going to bring it to. Alright, so I don't like my porridge overly thick. This is really a lovely breakfast guys, honestly. To finish off, we're going to add in some nutmeg. I like to finish off with nutmeg at the end, just for that nice fresh flavor. And I'm also going to add in some vanilla essence. At this point guys, you can choose whether or not you want to add sugar, agave, it's up to you. And to finish off guys, I have here some fresh Jamaican apple. Some banana. And some nuts. Please give this recipe a try guys. Look how lovely it is, full of fiber, something very nice to eat in the mornings. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.